Hey beauties, I got so many requests recently to do a prom tutorial, especially a prom look that goes great with a blue dress. So I figured I would do that today, and I had so much fun putting together this look using my James Charles palette. I just was so inspired by all the colors in the palette. I know a lot of you beauties love colorful looks. Especially for prom or any day, special occasion, or everyday color is just so much fun to play with, and that palette just has the mother load of color, right? So I thought it would be so much fun. I was imagining like what would James Charles wear to prom, so I don't know guys. I put together this look, so let me know what you guys think James Charles would wear to prom. I would love to hear. He probably would go all out, of course, right? He would be all out for the sisters. So I just am so obsessed with this kind of color scheme right now. So I thought it would be so much fun to do this look today. And I do have a surprise giveaway hidden in this video for you beauties, so make sure you watch and find out what it is and how you can take part and win. I have tons of giveaways on my channel. I have a huge monthly giveaway, and then I have tons of pop-up giveaways on my IG, here on my YouTube channel, and my videos. So all you have to do to take part in my giveaways is be a subscriber. That's the only requirement. So I hope you'll subscribe and take part in all the fun. So if you'd like to see my prom makeup tutorial or my James Charles palette tutorial, my James Charles goes to prom look, then just keep watching. And the other day I went out wearing a purple eye to the mall, and there were all these girls there who were looking for prom makeup, and they loved it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use all of these kind of purple section here, and then of course some glitter. We gotta have our glitter for prom. So I have already did my brows. I have on some foundation, and I did prime my eyes with my Hourglass foundation stick. So this is the Blanc shade, and so you can use your concealer. I recommend using a lighter concealer, you know, like a Tarte Shape Tape, or the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer is also amazing. The Morphe primer is also amazing, but like I said, today I used my Hourglass foundation stick. That's my favorite stick to use as a primer right now. So I'm going to go ahead and dig right into this gorgeous white shade here on a really tiny brush, and let's just pack that right on under our brows, on our brow bone. I'm just going to tap it on and then drag it over, and then pop some on your tear duct area. So I'm going to take a short hair fluffy brush, and this is the Inglot 48SS, but you can use any shorter one. So this brush is going to be a little bit smaller than your super fluffy brush, so we're going to save this brush for later. So right now we're going to start with our our short hair fluffy brush, and let's just go right into this color right here. I love this color so much. So you just want to tap that right on your lower crease. You're just tapping it right in there and kind of like pushing it in. And I'm digging in again, and I'm just pressing it in. Isn't that so gorgeous, guys? I'm obsessed. Obsessed with this color. Just pushing it in. We're not blending yet, we're just pushing it in. And then you can massage it over your eyelid. So just go back and forth right over your eyelid. So now let's take a clean short hair fluffy brush, and we're just going to blend just that edge to very small circular motions. So there's no product on the brush right now. Keep it really low. You're blending kind of downwards, not upwards. And now we'll pack on some more of that hot pink color just to bring back any intensity we lost. So now let's go ahead and take our fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that baby pink shade right here. And just dip right in and just get a good amount on your brush. And we're just going to blend the edge of that hot pink, but blend it kind of down, not downwards, but don't go up. Just keep it right there. Back and forth. You can take it all the way over to your tear duct area. So now I'm going to take a smaller crease brush again, and let's go into this purple shade right here, and let's just deepen up our lower crease like that. So now let's take a flat shader type of brush, and that deepest purple now will reach right into that very darkest purple, and let's just put that in our lower crease, and I'm just going to massage it back and forth over my lower crease like that. And let's take the same brush now and just smudge it under our lower lashes. And let's dip right back into that pink, hot pink again, and just blend very gently over that darkest purple we laid down. Just tap it right on just to get a blended look. So now I'm going to go ahead and lay down some glitter, the fun part, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take my glitter glue. This is the Anastasia glitter glue. You can use any glitter glue. The NYX one is great. A lot of people like the Too Faced one. So let's just go ahead though. I personally just love this one so much. I'm just going to go ahead and put it right all over my lid from my tear duct inwards to the center part of my lid. And then really quickly, while it's still wet, I'm going to go in with my glitter. So I'm going to start with this Stila Sunset Cove. And I just like to take it right off the applicator, and I'm going to use this angled brush to put it on my eye. And now I'm just taking some pink loose glitter, and I'm just going to tap that right on top of our Stila while everything is still wet. You just want to do this all while everything's still wet. So, oh my god, I love that so much. This is the Anastasia Glitter in Sapphire. Now I'm just going to pack on a little bit of that darkest purple shade again on a pencil type brush just to blend this out like that. So now I'm going to take this pencil brush, and I'm just going to use this purple, kind of like a grape purple that's right next to the lightest pink. So just right there, I'm just tapping it on. So now I'm just going to take some purple eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in Psychedelic Sister. I love these so much. I'm just going to smudge this in my lower waterline and kind of smudge it on my upper lashes. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and work on the other eye. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other eye. You have to do it really fast. That's why I couldn't do both eyes at the same time. As soon as you put down your glitter glue, you want to go right in with your glitters and pack them on as soon as possible while everything's wet. So I'm going to go ahead and now do the other eye. I'm going to pop on my lashes. I'm going to put on my foundation and contour, and then we'll do a lip together. So I'll be right back. So I'm back. So I'm just going to pop on a little bit more of this Charlotte Tilbury blush. It's just absolutely stunning. I also took some Anastasia So Hollywood, oh no, this is Snowflake highlighter. This highlighter is so gorgeous, it's unreal. And I just put some of that on my brow bone, and I also put some on my tear duct area. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I just took some on like a flat brush, and you just pop it right in there. And then I also just put a little bit right on my brow bone area. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more on my cheekbones. So this is just a berry color from MAC. This is MAC. This is Dreaming of You. So I'm just going to take my MAC Stripdown Liner, and I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to put on this Kylie Lipstick in Dolce K. So beauties, I finally decided on, I know I was trying out those two other different lips there, but I finally decided on Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Rio lipstick, and it's just such a gorgeous hot pink lip gloss. So let me know which lip is your favorite. Is it the berry, the nude, or this hot pink glossy look? So which color would you wear? What color do you think would go best with this look, or would you feel comfortable wearing, especially to prom? So, or any day. This is a great look for any day. For us glam beauties, for us glam lovers, right? So guys, now I can finally tell you about my surprise. So I do have this Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. So this is such a stunning palette. So if you'd like to take part in my giveaway to win that Tarte palette, then just be subscribed to my channel, and definitely just leave your contact information below, your email or your IG, however is the best way to reach you. Just comment that below and let me know. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for coming in and hanging out with me today. I had so much fun putting together this James Charles palette, James Charles Goes to Prom inspired look. So thanks guys again so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!